Could you pause for a little bit? Thank you. What you see here is an operational video from the current war. There is a maneuvering force in the urban dense area, and they are under fire. We have a sniper on the roof of a high-story building, and he's firing at the maneuvering force. We have the capability to bring an F-16 to drop on this building, but it's a high-story, it's a civilian area. We don't want to cause casualties and collateral damage. Now, what they chose to do here is to use the stealth hunters. It's endless guys sitting in a vehicle far away, 25 kilometers away, just ready for a mission. Once they acquire the target, they know where the target is, they find the vessel. We are talking about an endless 25 kilometers. Could you please continue? The operator and the commander are talking to each other, trying to